G'day guys, today I'm going to do a quick simple upgrade. I'm going to be upgrading my headlight bulbs. I know most BMWs come with a standard 4003K watch bulb. So I've ordered some D1S 8K bulbs, so that's 8000K as you can see. So D1S 8K. So these bulbs, obviously it's more of a hint of blue to it. So the standard ones, they're a bit yellowy, bit of white, bit yellow, but these ones are like more pure blue. Yeah, so it's a blue effect. So you got, obviously you got the 6K, you got the 8K, and then you got 10,000K, and obviously the higher the numbers go, obviously the more bluer. So these are the two bulbs, guys. So that's the original one that just came out, as you can see, and that's the new one that'll be fitted in, as you can see, guys. All right, D1S 8K bulbs. So guys, the process is straightforward and simple. Just get behind your wheel, so you take your wheel out. So you take off the protection flap that's behind the headlights. You see this bit here? This looks like a cross line. So you need to twist that towards you, and your headlights should open like that. We've taken so you can take the mains, just pull this down, give your headlight a twist to the left, like that, and the bulb should come out. Alright, so it's fitting as well, you just push it in the same way, twist it back to the center, and you connect the clip. Get the cover. Make sure you line it well. And you just give it a twist until it locks in place, guys. And then you put the back in, outer back in. Click those in place, and it's as simple as that, guys. That's the upgraded side, and that's the standard ones. See, say from far, see the difference. So you've got the blue